is Trishawn, and I'm the owner of Big Deal Hair Extensions, and I'm coming to you guys on a Friday. Very excited because I've just decided to do Freebie Fridays. And I'm pretty sure you're wondering, okay, well, what is a Freebie Friday? So every Friday, I've decided that I'm going to come to you guys with a business freebie. So a small little token, a nugget of business advice that really matters when you are trying to start up a business, okay? So on my lips, I have our Sativa Gloss that I paired with a NYX gloss to get this color. I'm really feeling it. So that's that. And this is a unit that I made using our 18-inch wavy. It's like a piece of hair in my mouth, right? Sorry, y'all. Okay. Anyway, now that I got that piece of hair out of my mouth, right? Okay. So, the topic of the day for this Freebie Friday is going to be target audience, okay? So if you're new to business, you probably really don't fully know what that term means, but I'm going to go ahead and explain that to you. So once you decide that you're going to start a business, you know what type of business you want to start, you have to think about your target audience, your consumer. Who is that going to be? You do not want to market to everybody because then you'll miss it completely. You want to target your audience. And how do you do that? So the first thing that I would suggest that you do is look at other companies, other businesses that are doing what you are doing. Do not mimic them, but see how they are marketing to their audience. Okay? So that's the first thing that I would suggest that you do, right? So then people are not going to look for you. I'm going to say that right now. People are not going to come to look for you. You need to go to where your people are. So your audience, where do they shop? Where do they eat? What kind of music do they listen to? So get on Facebook, get on Instagram, get on YouTube, and start being social. Hence the term social media. Go where your target audience is and market to them by engaging in conversation in the places where they are. Okay? So comment relevant information when you are on these social media platforms. Also, something else that you can think about, which is a little bit difficult, and unless you're seasoned, is kind of hard to be able to reach your actual target audience with this, but you can opt into paying for Instagram and Facebook ads, okay? Something else that you can also do is invest in a marketing company. That is what they do, okay? So do your research. If you want to look into an actual marketing company, do your research on that company, look at reviews, and there's only so far you can get with free. Let me tell you that, okay? So if you believe in your business, you need to invest. So you cannot expect for people to throw their money at your business when you're not even willing, okay? So that is my nugget for this Freebie Friday, and I hope that it is helpful to you all. Happy Friday!